Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we are going to start our fifth video lecture that is related to the medical microbiology. And in this video lecture we will start our MCQs from 111. In the previous videos lecture related to the medical microbiology, we talked almost 110 MCQs that contain 4 video lecture. If you miss it, the link will be present in the description, then you will check out it. Okay, we also talked other MCQs that is related to the microbiology, which is important and most of the time repeated in the GAT subject too. So you can also watch all these video lecture that is present into my channel, and the link will also be present in the description box. You will check out it. So let's start the MCQs of the medical microbiology from 111, which says that VDRL test is a slide flocculation test. So B is the correct option. 112 MCQ says that the following characters are true about Neisseria gonorrhea except airborne infection. So it is not the airborne infection. Gonorrhea is actually the sexually transmitted venereal disease. 114 MCQ says that Bartholin cyst is caused by gonchococcus. D is the correct option. Neisseria gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria gonorrhea mostly causes conjunctivitis, arthritis, urethritis. So D is the correct option. 116 MCQ says that the virulence in gonchococcus is due to the pili. A is the correct option. Japanese encephalitis is caused by, so it is caused by arbovirus. 118. In India, Japanese bee encephalitis was the first isolated from the mosquitoes of the, it is the Celiac vishnu. C is the correct option. Dengue virus is transmitted from man to man by Aedes aegypti. C is the correct option. Then we have 120 MCQs which says that the yellow fever is caused by, so it is caused by arbovirus. 121 MCQ says that vector for leishmaniasis is the correct option, sandfly. 122 MCQ says that splenomegaly is an important manifestation of what? Important manifestation of typhoid, kala, agar and malaria. D is the correct option. 123 MCQ says that which of the following is the mostly severely affected in Kala Azar? So correct option is spleen B. Then we have 124 MCQs which says that in India malaria most often spread by, it is mostly spread by Anopheles cruciferous. Man is intermediate host for what? So it is the most intermediate host of malaria. C is the correct option. Then we have 126 MCQs which says that which of the following preferable infected reticulocytes? That is the Plasmodium vivax. B is the correct option. 127 MCQ says that in which type of the malaria parasite is in the exoerythrocytic stage absent? So C is the correct option, Plasmodium falciparum. 128. In falciparum malaria, all of the following stage are seen except schizont. B is the correct option. 129. Sporozoid vaccine in malaria induces antibody. A is the correct option. Growing trypocyte and schizont are not seen in the peripheral blood in malaria due to Plasmodium falciparum. A. 131 says that thin blood smear for malaria is used to identify type of parasite. 132. The radical treatment of malaria is to half erythrocytic phase. C. Symptoms of acute apoptosis, osteogenic and lymphatic leukemia, So D is the correct option, both A, B. Then we have 134 MCQs which says that most important penicillium toxins are is the citrinine, petulinine. D is the correct option, all of these. Okay. Then we have 135 MCQs which says that penicillinic acid is produced by, so it is produced by Pepurilum and Ocherius. C is the correct option. Fungus producing mycelium are called, it is called molds. Candidiasis is caused by, it is caused by Candida albicans. Then we have 138 Candida albicans is capable to form what? Pseudomonas. B is the correct option. 139 MCQ says that Aspergillus fumigatus can infect what? So it infect A. oresia. Okay. 140 Aspergillus fumigatus can produce, so it produce endotoxin. The drug of choice for dermal, oral and vaginal candidiasis is, so it is the graciofulvine. A is the correct option. The following penicillium species are pathogenic except, so except P. notatum. D is the correct option. 143 MCQ says that Tinea versicolora is caused by, so it is caused by Malassezia furfur. Then 144 MCQ says that causative agent of Tinea nigra, so it is the Candida albicans, it is the Axophilia verinici. B is the correct option. FMCQ says that causative agent of African histoplasmosis, so it is the Histoplasma dubiosis. So I think B is the correct option. So that is the MCQs of 145, and I hope it's enough in this video. Inshallah, in the next video we will cover other MCQs of the medical microbiology. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.